It's really not that bad. It just needs a little shaping. To the salon!
I love it.
Hi guys, and welcome to my chill get ready with me. I'll be starting off by blow drying my hair. I used about 4 to 5 packs of braiding hair, shine and jam gel with the extra hold, some curling rods, a rat-tailed comb and gold hair cuffs, and a hard brush. I'll be using the feed-in method with long braiding hair. I am a beginner at braiding my own hair, so I tend to start at the front to section out my hair for my box braids. Using my rat-tailed comb, I start to section my hair in half from the middle of my forehead into my hair as I'm trying to get a middle part for my braids. I start guessing how big I want my box braids to be. So for a jumbo look, I section my hair into 3 medium-sized squares. I can't say the actual word on YouTube, but we are currently in a pizzeria, if you get my drift. So I've been able to do my own braids. I'm not an expert yet, but I have been able to save. So instead of going to the hairdressers, I just do my hair myself. The next thing I do is to use my gel and start braiding my hair, and in some sections I just twist my hair instead of braiding it. Now moving on to braiding my hair. Honestly, I just guess how thick I want my extensions to be. I like to compare it to how thick my fingers are, so I can see how easy it will be for me to actually feed it into my braid. I loosen my hair up to my roots, but I leave a couple of plaits in, and I start to add my braiding hair to my hair.
No friends of mine around, yeah. Now I'm thinking might have caught the June blues. Yeah, I wanna drown myself inside the juice. Yeah, you know I keep on running from the truth. Was that not? I'm just a lonely fucking you. Now when I drive around on
Then I carry on braiding and stop to add more hair.
when the sun come out, might just waste away. Don't know what life about. Another day go by, don't know what got me down. June blues, yeah, I got the June blues, yeah. Walk down.
To braid the back of my hair, I get 2 mirrors, place them behind me and in front of me. Then I use my front mirror to help section and braid my hair.
Who you, yeah, just something you get used to. Breaking news got me breaking. I was present, hopeless, praying. Struck down at 20, plenty left to put behind you. You ain't peaked, devil's speaking, now they speaking about you, leave it alone. Hope you grinning while you watch your bros on some sofa sunny
For the curls in my braids, I just take out a piece of the hair and carry on braiding.
Don't tell me, now you in infinity, we 98. Trust that he be good. On the ball like BB, don't make no mistakes. Got the faith, the 18 just not gonna be the same.
To seal the ends of my braids, I just tie a knot. So I take a section of my braid, wrap it around itself, tuck it in and tighten it,
Try and get no cry.
whilst leaving enough of the braiding hair to curl up the ends. Some people do prefer using a hair straightener or a lighter to burn their ends, but I just prefer tying a knot. If you're a beginner like I am, it's okay to take out a braid you don't like and do it again. It gets a bit stressful doing your own hair, but it's best to take your time.
Why it's getting colder when the sun comes out. Might just wait.
For the fray bits of my hair, I use a pair of scissors and snip them off. Then I go in with my hair straightener and use it to run along my braids, melting off all the tiniest frays I wasn't able to snip off. Then I roll up all the hair I left out for my curling rods. I then boil some water to set my hair. I've got a towel on my shoulders and a towel on my lap, just so I don't burn myself. And I really should have used a bigger bowl for the hot water, but in the end it still worked out. I'm taking out my curling rods and I was able to braid my hair down to my waist. In the end, it took me around 5 hours to get them done. It actually came out quite well, and I'm just gonna style it with some gold hair cuffs. Next time I'll be trying the crochet method. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!